my name is Adriana, I'm the co-founder of Try It On, and right now I'm going to show you how to set up your first team project. Let's head over to Teams and click on Create Your First Project and give it a name. It can be a location, your brand name, something recognizable. Next is setting a team portrait style. You can either upload your existing photography style or you can use a ready-made style library. Or you can also do a mix of both, which is what I'm going to be doing right now. When you upload your own custom photography style, make sure that it is a square. And next is fill out the background and the woman clothing, or the man clothing. In this scenario, I'm going to say light orange studio background. So again, you're just confirming it. Use nouns only. And black blouse. The black blouse for each team member will look a little bit different. This is to ensure individuality and not everybody looking exactly the same. Once it's done, just add it to styles. And next you can continue to the library of styles if you would like to add a few additional ones. I'm going to select from the light studio and I would like a white background, but I'd like a variation of clothing. So I'm going to choose these three. Now you do need to select at least one style per gender, so I'm going to just select one more here. Once you're happy with your style selection for the photo shoot, just click on Confirm Styles. Now, each team member gets 100 images. So that's already quite a lot of images to pick from. So what you could do, just as a note of thank you or just something fun for the team to get, you could say that you allow them the flexibility to customize X amount of images out of 100 with whatever style they would like to pick from. So I'm going to say my team can customize 20 of their images to be whatever they like for their own personal needs. You can also say 0. So I'm going to confirm 20 images. And next I'm going to proceed to payments. Now in the payments, you do get discounts based on bulk. So just starting off with 1 is $21 and all the way to 1,000 you get 25% off. I'm going to go just for 1 today. And again, it includes 100 images, it's your own branded portrait style, and we also give quite a few credits to kind of enhance and expand images. And I'll show you how that works later. So continue to checkout. We use Stripe for payments, and all of your invoices will be held in your account under billing. Once the payment is successfully made, you will be taken back to your studio, and now you can proceed to add members and assign photo shoots. Do make sure that you spell it correctly. Add member and then assign a photo shoot. Now you could do the assigning absolutely anytime you like. The credits will stay here forever, so you don't need to hurry. When you have assigned the photo shoot, the team member will receive an email confirmation, and if for any reason they haven't received the email confirmation, for example, you have a firewall perhaps, they can actually just log in anyway and click on Express AI and they will see a credit in their account and they can just get started. So the team will be able to click on Prep for Photo Shoot. They will select their gender. They will follow the guidelines, which are very simple. Essentially, they are 10 to 30 close-ups of just yourself. So starting from here, making sure that your hair is consistent and is not cropped, and that your skin tone and your eye color are clear in your close-ups. I already have mine ready. So again, they're all quite natural. You can use our cropper if you need to crop somebody out. Once I'm happy with my selfies, and I do encourage my team to ensure that they upload more than 10 because it gives the AI more data and therefore the results will be much, much closer. I'm just going to double check that all the selfies have a unique background, unique clothing, and my eye color is clear. So these look great. I'm going to click on Finish Uploading. This is where the flexibility comes in. So I know that this is my corporate style. Awesome. And now I can see that, all right, so the admin has allowed me 20 images that are flexible. So I'm going to pick my own styles. I'm going to say beauty, business outdoors, business studio, and I can pick anything else. And I'll say continue. Here you can customize your eye color or your hair or maybe other things that are particular to you. My eye color is in between blue and green, so I'm not going to touch it. The AI will figure out what to do. And next for the hair color, I also fluctuate between brown and blonde because I do color my hair and I want a mix of photos, so I'm not touching the selection either. So I'm ready to complete my submission. Now, the minute the submission is done, it will take up to 90 minutes for the images to be generated and be in my studio, as well as the admin's team's space. You as an admin, you will be able to see that the status for this particular team members has changed. So now you know that they have completed uploading their photos and the images are generating. This is how it will look when the team's results are ready. Both yourself as the admin and the team member can view the results. You can delete them or you can edit them. So let's go ahead and view the results. Again, a reminder that there will be 100 images and not all of them will be perfect, and that is something important to communicate to the team. The better the close-ups, they're much better in the results. So do encourage your team to spend a minute reading through the guidelines, making sure they understand them. Now, I can see the results, and me as an admin, I can just go ahead and delete the ones that I don't like. You can obviously communicate with your team and say, hey, this is the portrait that I would like you to use on your LinkedIn, on your business card, on your wherever else that you need. You can also tell the team, or even yourself as an admin or somebody that you assign, you can use our AI editing tools to perfect the headshot that you might like, but maybe isn't perfect. So let's take one that isn't quite perfect. Well, I don't love this portrait itself because it's giving me a little bit of wrinkles, and yes, I do have them, but I don't want them in my portrait. So what I can do is I can click on AI tools, and I can click on enhance or upscale. So click on enhance, and this will take just a few seconds to smoothen out any imperfections. For example, pixels around the eyes, and then also pixels around, the wrinkles. So here you go. Now you can see the before and after. It's much smoother. Some people prefer the style, some don't. It's really up to the individual. So here's the before, and here's the after. Before, after. If you like it, just click save. And again, you can do this on behalf of your team member, or they can do it on their own. It's really up to them. Next, we're going to do is try the upscale. So choose one of your portraits, click on upscale, and give it just a few seconds. Now, all of the editing that you're doing with AI, it does take tokens from you. So each individual gets 50 free tokens to use. And you can see the credits value just right over here. So you can do quite a lot of images with the free credits. Now here's the upscale. So what I love about the upscale, the image is actually super large, but as you can see, look, the eye color, it's not quite perfect. It's a little bit too blue for me. So what I'm going to do is, I actually really, really love it. But if I want it absolutely perfect, I can actually just request a human edit. Now human edit, these are real editors working with us, and it costs again 397 tokens, which is $10 US. So I'm going to say, fix my eyes. Here you can get as detailed as possible because the editor is going to real editors and they have access to your original close-ups. So you can say, fix my eyes, check my close-ups for the right color. You can also request for things like removing jewelry, changing outfits, changing backgrounds, literally anything you like. So you can say, change my earrings to small pearls, and so on. Once the request is sent in, so if you have enough credits, this will not show up. If you don't have enough credits, you just need to top out. But once the credit is sent in, it will show up back right here in your studio within 24 hours, and you will also get an email notification. The last thing that I'm going to show you is how to add additional admins to your team's project in case you need help reviewing portraits, selecting portraits, editing portraits, and also how to transfer credits to your team for things like additional AI editing or even human editing. So head back into your team's space. And let's first add another admin. So the admin will be able to do exactly what you can do. So view everyone's results and do a little bit of editing or deleting. So I'm going to click on this wheel and I'm going to say manage admins, and I'm going to add one. And you should be able to see that the admin is in fact added. Perfect. So now Nathan can view all of the results. Now the last thing I'm going to show you is the credits transfer. So you can click on each individual token over here, and you can transfer that individual as many credits as you like. I'm going to say, I don't have that many, so whatever it is. And then just click on transfer credits. Once it's done, they'll be able to use them for whatever editing needs they need. If you delete the entire project, all of the data is wiped instantly from all of the accounts. All of the team members will not be able to view their results anymore, and it's also gone from our servers. You have complete and full control over your data. Other than that, I think you're ready to create your very first team project. And if you need absolutely any help, you can actually email me directly, adriana@tryitonai.com. Thank you very much, everybody. Enjoy.